Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat streak. Open Snapchat. From here, go to your profile by tapping your avatar on the upper left part of your screen. Once you're on this page, go to settings by tapping the gear icon on the upper right part of your screen. And then from settings, scroll down. Under support, tap I need help. Then you will be routed to Snapchat support page. Here you'll actually see that Snapstreak is under popular topics, so you can just tap that. Or if you're not seeing that on your end, then you can just try to search it on the search bar here from Snapchat support. Then here tap I lost my Snapstreak. Once you're on this page, beside need help with something else, you'll have an option to tap yes. So tap yes and then choose the option I lost my Snapstreak in here. Then read this descriptions that's showing in here because it might help you recover your Snapstreak. But if not, of course, you'll have an option in here to fill up this form. So just put your username in here, email address, your mobile number registered to your Snapchat, your device that you're using when the Snapstreak was lost, friend's username, of course, when did you start having the issues, how long was your Snapstreak before it expired, and did you see this icon, so you can just select yes or no in here. Then you'll have an option to put the description. Here is where you can be more specific with the concern so that Snapchat would be able to help us recover our Snapstreak. Once you're done with the description, you just need to tap send and then Snapchat will be back to you via email within 72 hours. And that's how to recover Snapchat streak. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!